What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I...
Hello Miss Lia, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gabriela Yanita Sibagariang. You can call me Gaby. I am 6 years old. I have 2 brothers. I am a student at Karya Budi Elementary School. I am in 1st grade. Thank you Miss Lia. Dadah.